Hello, I am YK Prakash. In this video, I would like to talk about interfacing DS3231 real-time clock RTC to Arduino Uno. Earlier, I posted a video in which DS1302 was used, but this DS3231 is supposed to be more stable or accurate in maintaining time. It also has a permission to report temperature also, and then there are some specific alarm functions available here. So let's have a look at it. So this is the Arduino. I have connected DS3231. This is also having a backup battery for time maintenance, CR2032. This is having ground, VCC, and then SDA, SCL, one SQW, that is square wave pin, which we are going to use if we want to use alarms. Okay, and these SCL SDA pins here are equivalent to SCL is A5 and SDA is A4 on Arduino. Of course, this is 5 volts on ground, and this is pin 2. Pin 2 is interrupt 0. So we are connecting the square wave pin, which is also serving as interrupt, to our interrupt 0, which is pin 2 on Arduino. So that is how we are going to use this. So this is the DS3231 get time program. Here the pin configuration is given. SCL, STA, SQW pins are connected to Arduino. We are using RTC lib library from Adafruit. This is the weekday string or array. Basically, here the important thing to note is date time is a structural type, and now is the object we are creating based on the structure of date time. Our RTC is our object. We are running a function called now, which gives the present time. So our object now is going to have present time inserted when we run this line. And in this date time structure, year, month, day, hour, minute, second, and of course day of the week, these are all the variables we will get. We will also be able to see temperature with RTC dot get temperature. Now let us run this and see what's going to happen. So I am going to upload this program to my Arduino Uno board. It's done. Now I open the serial monitor. It is showing the time. Here I am showing year, month, date, Thursday, then time, then also temperature. This is being shown every 3 seconds. Okay. So this is our set time program. This is similar as far as getting the time is concerned for displaying on the serial monitor. Only for setting time we are using RTC.adjust date time of this string. This string is the general date time string, year, month, date, then hours, minutes, seconds. Here there is no need to give day of week. That definitely is a good thing. Okay, so this is the area where we are setting our time. So let us change it. I want to change it to 20th. Sorry, 21st only. Here is 21st only. Only date I want to change. Date should be 20th. So that day of week should be Wednesday. Let us see whether it recognizes automatically. Now I am going to upload the program. Uploading is done. Now let me adjust this slightly. Okay. So the date has changed to 20th and weekday is Wednesday. That's pretty good. Now this is the program we plan to use for showing application of alarm. How to set alarm. Here basically we have defined clock interrupt pin 2. Pin 2 on our Arduino is interrupt 0. So this SQW we are connecting it to pin 2 or interrupt 0 of Arduino. Okay. There are some mandatory things to be done here, like attaching interrupt and all that. Okay. When interrupt occurs, it goes to on alarm. Okay. This is the one. On alarm, we are simply saying alarm occurred. Here the important thing is to note down. First we are finding out what is the present time. Date time type structure. Object is now. Is the present time from RTC. Okay. So the future time where the alarm is going to occur is date time. Again it is of date time type. The variable is called, the object is called future. I am doing a now plus time span. This time span can be total seconds, one number which is total seconds, or it can be 4 numbers, x comma y comma z comma something. So this is days, hours, minutes, seconds. Okay. You give your time span. So we are adding this time span to the present time so that our alarm will occur properly. For example, we will say 15 seconds, okay? And we are giving this in setup so that it occurs only once. In this example, we are giving it in setup loop only. After 15 seconds, our alarm should occur. Okay, so this is get time. This get time is same as earlier. Okay, so let us see. Upload and see. So it basically says alarm will occur at 15 seconds because the present time is roughly 27:26. If we add 15 seconds, it is 41 seconds. So it is 14, 27, 41. I am waiting for 41. See at 41 alarm occurred. Present time is this much. Alarm occurred, yes. Okay, at that point it also gave temperature. That's why I have given the code. Now it goes on showing time. Okay. Now because this was this alarm check was inside the setup loop, it shows only once. Is the circuit diagram or connection diagram? We are basically connecting 5 volts and ground from Arduino to the module DS3231. Then we are connecting A5 and A4 of Arduino to SCL and SDA of DS3231, and then pin 2, which is interrupt 0 on Arduino, we are connecting it to square wave output of DS3231. This square wave output also works as interrupt output. Thank you very much for watching the video. In this video, I tried to show you how to interface DS3231 real-time clock to Arduino Uno. The main focus is on how to use the alarm facilities in DS3231. I hope it will be of some use to you. I am planning to make a clock with this one. We've already seen one Clocky 1. In Clocky 2, I plan to incorporate DS3231.